Thank you for giving me the time, Mr. Inkjet Printer. I wanted to talk to you about a ginormous opportunity for you here at Siser. But I have noticed that you've been a little bit jealous, maybe a little envious of the other printers in the office. You know, the ones that print on our products. When is Siser gonna have something that works with inkjet printers? Well, Siser has now come out with a brand new technology we're calling direct-to-vinyl, or DTV, that's gonna work with inkjet printers. It's called EasyColor. What do you think? You want to do this? Introducing innovation in heat transfer like nothing else out there. Our brand new direct-to-vinyl product called EasyColor. EasyColor is a product that can work on essentially any printer out there. Yes, that means that desktop printer you have at home. No limitations to what you want to print on Siser EasyColor. Doesn't matter if you have a light or dark color garment. From a meaningful photo you took to the company logo you want to print out, you could print it with a home printer, you could use a pair of scissors or a vinyl cutter to cut the design out, and you can apply it with a home iron or a heat press. It truly doesn't matter what equipment you currently have. You can surely use Siser EasyColor DTV. EasyColor has a wide range of fabrics and materials it can be applied to. This product is extremely soft and stretchable, so you barely know it's even applied. And best of all, your image will last wash after wash. As you can see, it doesn't matter if you're brand new to this or you've had a business in this industry for a long time. EasyColor DTV is for everyone. Print, cut, and apply with the tools you have at home. That is the power of Siser EasyColor Direct-to-Vinyl.